When it comes to keeping your car spotless, using the right tools makes all the difference. High-pressure water guns offer a powerful and efficient solution for cleaning every nook and cranny of your vehicle, from the wheels to the windows. In this video, we'll explore the best high-pressure water guns for car cleaning, highlighting their features and benefits to help you make an informed choice for your next wash. The CRAFTSMAN electric pressure washer is a standout option for anyone looking for a powerful and portable cleaning solution. Designed for homeowners who need efficiency without compromising performance, this pressure washer offers an impressive 2,100 pounds per square inch and a 1.2 gallons per minute flow rate, making it perfect for tackling tough outdoor cleaning jobs. Whether you're washing your car, cleaning the driveway, or removing dirt from other surfaces, this model ensures a thorough clean every time. One of the key highlights of the CMEP W2100 is its integrated soap tank, which allows for easy detergent application during use, giving you an extra cleaning boost when necessary. The 25-foot kink-resistant hose and 35-foot power cord provide excellent range, so you can cover large areas without the need for frequent repositioning. For added convenience, the pressure washer comes with onboard storage for the hose, nozzle, and wand, keeping everything organized and ready for action. We also have to mention the 10-inch wheels, which make maneuvering the washer around your yard or driveway a breeze. Despite its 31.99 pounds weight, the wheels ensure smooth movement, even over uneven surfaces. With a well-designed comfort grip on the wand and a T-rail handle system to secure it during transport, CRAFTSMAN has thought of everything to make your cleaning tasks more efficient and less cumbersome. It's a reliable and efficient tool that makes outdoor cleaning tasks a breeze. This pressure washer delivers 1,900 pounds per square inch of power, ideal for cleaning patios, decks, cars, and recreational vehicles. It stands out for its compact and portable design, featuring a telescoping handle and wheels for easy transport, perfect for maneuvering around the yard or garage. What really sets this model apart is its onboard detergent tank and a variety of nozzles, allowing users to tackle different cleaning challenges effortlessly. The 25-foot non-marring hose ensures you can reach larger areas without worrying about damaging surfaces. RYOBI has also thought about storage. Once you're finished with the job, this pressure washer can be stored vertically, making it easy to tuck away in tight spaces. Its lightweight build adds to the convenience, but it still offers impressive power for residential cleaning tasks. Safety features such as the trigger handle and ergonomic design ensure that using the pressure washer is not only effective but comfortable. Whether you're cleaning the driveway, washing the car, or even rinsing off your boat, this pressure washer is up for the job. It's a durable and versatile option, delivering a great balance of performance, portability, and convenience for all your outdoor cleaning needs. For its price point, it's an excellent investment for homeowners seeking a reliable pressure washer. Next up, we have the GREENWORKS electric pressure washer, a standout choice for power and versatility in 2025. This pressure washer boasts a true brushless motor that generates an impressive 3,000 pounds per square inch at 2.0 gallons per minute, delivering strong and consistent cleaning power. Perfect for everything from driveways and decks to vehicles and outdoor furniture, it's a reliable workhorse. Weighing 23.5 kilograms, the GREENWORKS pressure washer is surprisingly easy to maneuver, thanks to its durable wheels and compact design. Its rugged build includes a heavy-duty cast aluminum axial cam pump, offering performance that competes with gas-powered models but without the hassle and noise. The JetFlow technology increases water flow by up to 50%, making it easier to reach higher areas and speed up your cleaning process. In terms of accessories, you'll get a 25-foot kink-resistant hose and several nozzles, including 15-degree, 25-degree, and 40-degree tips, plus soap and turbo nozzle. These versatile tools provide flexibility for all kinds of cleaning tasks. The built-in detergent tank is convenient for soap application, and when you're done, the pressure washer can be stored vertically to save space. For a machine that can handle both tough jobs and more delicate surfaces, the GREENWORKS 3000 PSI True Brushless Electric Pressure Washer offers great performance and reliability. If you're in the market for a powerful yet user-friendly electric pressure washer, this is an excellent option. Highly recommended. The CRAFTSMAN electric pressure washer is a compact yet powerful cleaning tool designed for homeowners who need a reliable solution for outdoor cleaning. With a maximum pressure of 1,700 psi and a 1.2 GPM flow rate, it effectively handles tasks like washing cars, patios, driveways, and outdoor furniture. One of its standout features is the onboard soap applicator bottle, which makes applying detergent simple for tackling stubborn grime. It also includes 2 nozzles, one for standard cleaning and a turbo nozzle for extra power when dealing with tougher stains. The 20-foot kink-resistant hose ensures flexibility, while the 35-foot power cord allows for extended reach without constantly switching outlet. Storage and organization are well thought out, with dedicated onboard spaces for the wand, nozzles, and power cord. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to maneuver and store, especially for those with limited space. Users appreciate its ease of setup and quiet operation compared to gas-powered alternatives. However, some have noted that while it's perfect for light to medium-duty tasks, it may not be powerful enough for heavy-duty jobs like stripping paint or deep concrete cleaning. Overall, the CRAFTSMAN CME-PW1700 is a solid choice for those looking for an affordable and convenient electric pressure washer. It delivers dependable performance for everyday cleaning while being easy to use and store, making it a great investment for maintaining a clean outdoor space. Introducing the Westinghouse Gas Pressure Washer, a powerful and reliable cleaning tool that earns its place as one of the best in 2025. With a max pressure of 3,200 psi and a flow rate of 2.5 GPM, this pressure washer is a workhorse designed to handle everything from cleaning driveways and decks to washing cars and fences. The WPX3200's performance is impressive, offering deep cleaning power that effortlessly removes dirt, grime, and tough stain. What sets this model apart is its 212 cubic centimeter 4-stroke engine, which is paired with a maintenance-free axial cam pump, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. The 25-foot abrasion-resistant hose and 5 quick-connect nozzles, including a turbo nozzle, give you the flexibility to tackle any task with precision. The added convenience of a 0.5-gallon onboard soap tank makes cleaning even easier by allowing you to use detergent when needed. In addition to its cleaning power, the Westinghouse pressure washer is designed for ease of use. The tough steel frame and 12-inch never-flat wheels ensure durability and easy maneuverability, even on uneven surfaces. Plus, the included lightweight spray gun and comfortable grip make handling the pressure washer a breeze. With all these features combined, the Westinghouse pressure gun offers top-tier performance and convenience at an affordable price.